To all my friends watching videos at work, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Let's check out today's interesting video together. The cat encountered the fastest turtle in the world. The cat's experience clearly teaches us that it's best not to provoke others for no reason, or you might end up being the one who gets hurt. I guess this little capybara has no idea why its head hurts so much. What would you do if you came home from work and saw your cat sitting on the steps waiting for you? This is definitely the strangest running posture I've ever seen on a dog. A chimpanzee is quietly sneaking out of the cave to search for food. I guess there must be a girl outside the door that the dog likes. When the little raccoon went back to its room to rest, one of the raccoons accidentally locked the other two outside. I must have had too much to drink. I swear I saw the cat cooking for me. I guess this horse hasn't learned how to eat a carrot properly yet. The cat absolutely cannot understand how humans close doors at this very moment. I guess the zebra thought that as long as it moved its mouth, it would definitely get a carrot. The cat is practicing a very novel way of drinking water. The dog tried many times, but each time it was easily blocked by the cat with a swipe of its paw. The cat must have thought it was drunk, as it saw a turtle skateboarding. Two husky puppies are trying to exercise, but they've failed. This is definitely the funniest cat toy I've ever seen. I must be drunk. I actually saw a cat spinning a watermelon like it was a basketball. I don't know what happened to the parrot, but it actually started practicing walking. Once you have a cat, you'll understand that you can never truly comprehend your cat's behavior. I guess the cat must be learning Michael Jackson's moonwalk. The cat unexpectedly got a very funny helmet. This is definitely the funniest Halloween costume for a husky I've ever seen. The little puppy didn't know what had happened. It walked as if it were drunk. I guess the mouse doesn't know what to do right now. If it jumps down, it might get hurt. But if it doesn't jump, the cat will definitely eat it. The little kitten accidentally got itself stuck in a gap. The little puppy pretended that it couldn't walk on its hind legs in order to gain the woman's sympathy and trick her into giving it the food in her hand. This is definitely the strangest walking posture I've ever seen in a cat. I don't know why, but the way these three little monkeys walk makes it look like they're up to no good. This is definitely the most magical cat I've ever seen in the world. When two dogs live together for a long enough time, even their walking posture becomes exactly the same. The little kitten is using the woman's massage chair for a pre-sleep massage. When the cat saw the shrimp for the first time, both of them were scared out of their wits. This is definitely the funniest dog prank I've ever seen.